Hey, what's going on, guys? Tasche here, and folks, today I'll be reviewing a brand new product called Commission Drill. Now, this is a 10-minute YouTube ads trick and funnel that's designed to help you easily earn commissions promoting CPA and affiliate offers. Now, the product is coming from Ivana, Bosnjak, and rawat, and every product that I've reviewed in the past that Ivana has been involved with has always become a top seller. It's always been very well received by the IM space. And this is actually the first product that I've seen that Ram has been involved with. And this is all Rams strategies, Rams funnel, everything. And seeing this product the way it is, I really look forward to seeing what else Ram is going to put out in the future. So we're going to go in this video. We're going to go over the sales page. We're going to learn about the product, and we're going to talk about the front end product and the OTOs, and then we're going to dive into the members area. And of course, with every product that I review, I'm offering an exclusive bonus package for you. When you take action, you grab your copy of Commission Drill through my link. So here we are on the sales page, and a few things I look for on a sales page. I like to see, first of all, I like to see videos on a sales page. I like to see an overview because a lot of times we don't have time to read a whole sales page. We want to get the gist of it through a video, and that's what they have right here. Next, I like to kind of go through and see, I like to learn the story about the person behind the product. I also like to see results of people using the product, whether it's the product creator and or people that have tested the product out. And the most important thing I like to see in any product, I like to see that there is a money back guarantee because I want to see that the people behind it are going to actually put their money where their mouth is. I like to see the people actually stand behind what they're putting out. And in this case, Ivana and Ram are offering a 14-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like it for any reason, just let them know and they'll get you your money back, no questions asked. All right. So now let's go ahead and talk about the front end product and the OTOs, and then we'll talk about we'll dive into the members area, and then of course we'll talk about the bonuses. So just like every product in the IM space, there's gonna be, and Commission Drill is offering a set of OTOs, upsells and downsells. Right. So the front end product, of course, is the 10-minute YouTube ads trick, the Commission Drill 10-minute YouTube ads trick and funnel. The first OTO, that's $12.65. The first OTO is the Commission Drill Done For You campaigns for $27. These are a set of Done For You campaigns you can just plug and play and use right as they are. There's also going to be a downsell for $18.11 that we haven't got the details on yet, but that's going to be offered as well. The second OTO is an upsell for advanced training, turning penny clicks into sales. That's a $77 upsell. The second downsell is going to be a $47 downsell, and the details of that will be released before the product goes live. As I'm making this video, this is actually the 12th of January, and the product comes out on the 18th. So there's still things are still being added to the sales page. The third OTO is the Commission Drill Domination. That's $67, and you can learn all about those OTOs on my review page. If you may be on my review page right now watching this, but if you're on YouTube, just click the link below and go straight over to my actual review. Okay. Now let's go and jump into the members area, and we'll go over what's actually involved with the product. So once you log in, you're going to come to the main members area, and right here we have the main ebook, which you can download the PDF, and that's the basic overview of the strategy. You want to make sure you read this as well as watch the videos because the PDF is going to have details that you might miss in the videos. So you download the PDF here, and it talks about, here's an introduction, okay, creating your funnel. Here's your introduction, the Commission Drill blueprint, selecting the right CPA offer, promoting ClickBank products, quick landing page creation, right? And then step 2, bring the traffic to your funnel. So we have their traffic blueprint. You can claim $75 in ad credit here, okay? And you just by signing up with AdWords and following this link here, you need to get $75 in ad credits, right? YouTube display ad campaign part 1, okay? And then part 2 as well. And then we have case studies, okay? Different case studies of Ram's results using these strategies, right? I'm going to scroll through here. And of course, they're also offering some bonuses here. These are not my bonuses. These are bonuses that are being offered from Ram and Ivana. My bonuses are actually going to be in a separate page that you can access, okay? And if you need to contact them, their contact info is down below. So if you have issues with the product or you need support, whatever, okay. That is what's involved with the front end product. And of course, you also get access. You get involved if you pick up the OTOs. You're also going to get access to the Done For You campaigns and other things like the retargeting, live coaching, and these are additional bonuses here that you can get. And of course, if you actually these are the same bonuses. Excuse me. Double check and make sure. Actually, I'm sorry. These are different bonuses. So you actually get more bonuses. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So guys, that is what's included with the Commission Drill product. Now, Commission Drill is launching Wednesday, January 18th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay. Now, on this page, if you're on my review page, you're going to see a countdown timer. All right. Now, that timer, and actually, if we go ahead and I'll pull it up right here. Okay. That timer, and this timer may change because we're not exactly sure when the launch is closing. So this may change, but when this product goes live and the timer hits 0, that means the bonuses will be taken away and the product launch will be over. So you want to make sure that you get your copy before that timer hits 0. Okay. And when you do that, when you get your copy before timer hits 0, not only will you get this at the best possible price, but you're also going to get access to all of my additional bonuses. So if we go and click on the bonus page here, and I'm going to go ahead and mute this video that's coming up. Let me go and pause this real fast. Okay, so when you pick up your copy of Commission Drill through my link, and we'll probably be adding more bonuses to this before the product goes live. But right now, this is a short selection, a quick overview of the bonuses that you're going to be given when you pick up your copy through my link. So again, I'm going to be adding more to this as well. This is just the initial set that I put out here. More are going to be added to this page. So guys, with that, I want to thank you very much for watching. Right now, what you want to do is you want to click the Buy Now button on this page, okay, and get your copy of Commission Drill before the timer hits 0. All right. Again, when you do that, not only are you going to pick up this easy 10-minute YouTube ads trick and funnel that's going to help you earn easy commissions promoting CPA and affiliate offers, okay, you're also going to get access to this at the best possible price, and you're going to get access to all of my special bonuses as well. And again, like I said, the bonus that you saw on my bonus page, I'm actually going to be adding more to that between now and the time the product goes live. Okay. So guys, this is Kurt. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.